वास्को मामलेदार आणि गोवा कॅन हांनी केल्ल्या संयुक्त मोहिमेत वास्कोतल्या जायत्या दुकानदारांक आणि व्यवसायी उद्देगाचेर सिगरेट आणि हेर तंबाखू उत्पादन कायदो पाळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान गुन्यांव दाखल केल्यात। धूम्रपान आणि तंबाखू सेवन भलायकेक हानिकारक आसा अशी सुचोवणी दिवपी योग्य रितीन नियुक्त केल्ली मंडळां नाशिल्ल्याचो आस्पाव ह्या उल्लंघनान आशिल्लो। तंबाखू वापराचेर आळाबंद हाडपा खातीर आणि भौशीक भलायकेची राखण करपा खातीर खर अंमलबजावणी करपाचे महत्व तांणी सांगले। दंड टाळपा खातीर व्यावसायिकांक नेमाक पाळो दिवचो पडटलो अशें गोवा कॅनान शिटकावणी दिल्या।
आमचे मार्मगोवा तालुका एनफोर्समेंट स्क्वॉड for the implementation of the sections of Kotpa. So today we are in KTC bus stand and we are booking various establishments, some grocery shops, some sweet shops, restaurant, bar, for not putting the basic signage of no smoking under section 4. This is an act which is of 2003. Now 20 years have passed and still this is going on here, and we are getting complaints all the time that these establishments are not. So our primary focus now is all the establishments which are supposed to be registered under Food and Drug Administration and Excise Department, that is bar and restaurant and bar, exclusively bar, and all the grocery shops. Now we would like to make an appeal to the MMC, Marmagao Municipal Council, that they should conduct inspection here, because when the trade license is given, when renewal of the trade license is given, they have to ensure that this Kotpa board is put. Now this will reduce the burden on Mamledar's office, and we can put more effort to go for the inspections of where illegally cigarettes are being sold, and especially near school, high secondary, college, that sort of thing. So our hope is that MMC also will take due attention to this matter, and because this falls under their jurisdiction. We are regularly going for these drives, and lot of improvement has taken place where the fines have been issued. Now you can see there are two. This board is exclusively for section 4. That means to send a message to the smoker that they should not smoke in a public place. And this is a second board you see here, which is in case somebody is selling cigarettes, then he is compulsory required to put this board under section 6A. So our effort is to continue to take up this drive and at the same time create awareness. So we are also distributing the leaflet which has been printed by Director of Health Services, giving all the sections and penalties.
Some grocery shops and shops have put some small boards or so.
Exactly. So many of them, including now we went to one finance company, they have just put the no smoking. So wrong signage also involves them being fined for 200 rupees. So we are very clear that they should not reduce the size of the board. The board should be clearly displayed so that the message goes to the customer that smoking is not being permitted in that establishment, and he can feel confident and safe that he can visit that restaurant.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीषा जाधव आणि वैष्णवी साळगावकर।